Okay, now let me see if I can figure it out. I'm here, but I want to go here. Well, that doesn't look too difficult. How far can it be anyway? Okay, so it's not bad, just under 2 miles. Maybe I could dream sequence it to remember what it was like when we came in. Certainly was a lot of construction. And no real directional signs to speak of. But don't worry, Gene drives out here all the time. It can't have changed that much. Could it? Oh, this is where you're turning.
Oh, no. Not anymore.
Okay, so that didn't work out too well. Maybe there's a better alternative. Wait, I remember Disney had an airport. No, wait, a Stolport. It was even on their map. Number 13. Yeah, I remember. It was Shawnee Airlines. They were flying those de Havilland DH-6 Twin Otters. Yep, they were landing planes right next to the Magic King. What do you mean it's been closed since before Epcot even opened? Well, what are they doing with it now? Oh, construction storage. What a great idea. Okay, well, what about the Disney Skyliner? I've seen the concept art. It looks pretty cool. Pop Century and over at Epcot. Okay, so I guess they're not really ready for that yet either. Well, if I can't use the Skyliner and I can't use the airport, what else can I do? Oh yeah, the Disney bus system. Okay, really, the Disney bus system is probably one of the best bus systems in the world. You can get it right outside the front door of your hotel. They've even put in these new monitors to tell you what time the next bus is coming. It shows you what time you can catch a bus to any of the theme parks, any of the water parks, or even to Disney Springs. Once you've decided where you want to go to, then you just head over to that bus stop for that particular destination. They're all pretty well marked.
And here comes our bus now.
First, the bus driver is going to allow all the passengers to exit the bus.
We're going to load the wheelchair before anybody else gets loaded on, just to make it safer.
It may take the driver a minute to lift up the seats to clear out the spot for the wheelchairs and ECVs.
Here we go.
You're good right there?
Yep,
Where are they hooked up?
right in the front.
Right in the front? Sounds good. They're going to do their best to secure your wheelchair in 3 places. Mine, they use a center point and then 2 in the back. There are actually 3 sections of seating that go up on the bus for wheelchairs and ECVs, but I've never actually seen them use more than 2. I'm in the back section here, and you can clearly see there's another section that'll fold up right in front of me. Unlike the old 4-point system, the new Q-Pod system Has directions for the driver right there. And in my opinion, the new system is far superior to the old system. The drivers don't have to lay around on the floor and move the old 4-point system into place anymore. This is another picture of the back attachment from overhead. So, now it's time for offload.
Good doing. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Now for those not in a wheelchair but with limited mobility, Disney does make available courtesy wheelchairs that you can use to get from the bus stop up to the main entrance where you can rent your ECV. And now you can go enjoy the rest of your stress-filled day in the park. But you still have to get home. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to one of my new heroes, the Disney Transportation Coordinator, the guy in the orange vest. You've probably seen their cars in the parking area when you've taken the tram in. They're the ones that can make sense out of this, and then make sure this happens. Seamless arrivals and departures to multiple locations every 20 minutes. Yeah, it seriously amazes me. See, like here at Disney Springs and at each theme park and each resort and each water park, there's a bus loop. They have pickup locations going all over Disney property. And these guys are the ones that organize it, so they don't get big crowds backing up all one area of the bus loop, while another part's empty. Like here at Epcot, this one's telling us we need to go to Gate 12 to return to the Pop Century Resort. Now we really can enjoy our day at Epcot. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Emmy can't sleep. She's been wondering if you've liked, commented, or subscribed.